The Delhi High Court today rejected a plea moved by real estate baron Sushil Ansal seeking an ad interim stay on the release of upcoming Netflix series Trial by Fire, which is based on the Uphaar fire tragedy. The series is scheduled to be released on January 13th. Justice Yashwant Verma refused to grant interim relief to Ansal in this suit, which seeks permanent and mandatory injunction against the series and a restraint of further publication and circulation of the book titled Trial by Fire, the tragic tale of the Uphaar tragedy. The book has been authored by Neelam Krishnamurthy and Shekhar Krishnamurthy, who had lost their two minor children in the 1997 fire incident. Neelam is also the chairperson of the Association of the Victims of Uphaar Tragedy, which had led a long struggle in the case against Sushil Ansal and his brother Gopal Ansal. Noting that the web series is yet to be aired and that the court has no occasion to view the same in its entirety, Justice Verma observed that it would be wholly inappropriate to grant injunctive reliefs at the ad interim stage even before the fictional work is properly examined in its entirety. The High Court stated in the order today, and I quote here, "Undisputedly, the work authored by defendants 4 and 5 was published way back in 2016. This is clearly evident from the various newspaper articles and media reports which have been placed for the perusal of the court. The plaintiff chose, for reasons best known to him, not to initiate any injunctive action in respect of the said work when it came to be originally published on 19th September 2016. A slothful or sluggish plaintiff seeking an injunction of the nature which is sought in these proceedings cannot be allowed to claim such reliefs." Observing the unfortunate and unimaginable tragedy which made the nation bow its head in shame has been in public debate, the High Court also said that Ansal's negligent conduct is well documented and also fell for adverse comment by the Supreme Court. The court also noted that the work on which the web series is based on has been penned by the Krishnamurthis, the parents who had lost teenage children in this unfortunate incident. Dismissing the contention that the portrayal is defamatory in nature, the court further remarked, and I quote here, "It is a story which alleges a systemic failure, manifests a cry of anguish against the manner in which the incident was prosecuted and tried. It essentially represents their perspective and opinion. A fictional rendition of their trials and tribulations cannot prima facie be presumed to be defamatory. More fundamentally, their personal experience and perception of the incident or the culpability of the plaintiff would remain their belief, impression, and understanding of the entire episode." To provide a bit of context for all of you, Sushil Ansal and his brother Gopal Ansal were awarded a 7-year jail term each in November 2021 by a lower court in the evidence tampering case in connection with the Uphaar fire tragedy. However, in July last year, the Sessions Court had reduced it to the already undergone period, meaning they were freed after spending a little over 8 months in jail in the case. Sushil, who was convicted in the criminal cases related to the fire in the suit, has said that his portrayal in the trailer released recently has caused and has the propensity to cause further immense and irreparable harm to his reputation and his right to life under Article 21 of the Constitution of India. For more information on this ruling, you can refer to a detailed report, the link to which has been given in the description box below. Thank you. I'm Maratra for LiveLaw. Keep watching LiveLaw for more such updates.